Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and I'm here to show you some origami. This week, I'm going to be showing you a very simple flower, just to match up to the last two we've already made, and that way, well, you can make a small decoration for yourself. This week, all we're doing is essentially the same as the last few weeks. So, fold in half. Fold in half again. Then, flatten down. And another way to make these, all you do is just find the best way for yourself to make any base. But as long as you follow the form, you'll always take the shape. Alright, so as before, with it just being a very simple flower, all we're going to do actually is this, fold it in half. Alright. So as you can see, I've still got all the opening at the bottom. All we're going to do is fold two of them on each side, right, all the way to the point. So try your best, just it's like turning a page, but not fully. So can you see I've got a little edge there? So what I've done is just folded one into a very small triangle. Okay, leave that little gap down there, but trying to make sure it all meets in the same spot on the center. All right, so there's no folds, it all meets on the same point. Okay, just do it again on the same side, matching up to that same line. Okay, corner points to point to point. Okay, then what will happen is you just hold that center there, and then open it up into those little 4 points. Okay. Try to make sure that fold does not undo itself. Okay. All we're doing is opening it up with our thumb, putting a little pressure on the base there. If you can see what I've done. So I'll do it from the side. We've done it that. And then you're just putting a little pressure down. All right. It's the simplest one you can make. Okay. Easiest flower ever. And as you can see, with any of these simple ones, all you do is find the most decorative piece of paper if you want. You can draw it, you can design it, you can just tear it out of an art book that you've gotten tired of. Just recycle pages in a book. You just make it into some decorative flowers. So, as you can see, with this completed, all we need to do then is make the stem, the same one from the lily. Okay, so what I'll do is just open up what I did last time. Okay, so what did I do? I folded in one, folded in again, I turned it over, folded into the center, folded in half, and where that point meets, you're just putting pressure, as you've done on those 4 points, into the leaf. From here, you just hold on to that 1 point there, and tuck it in. As you can see, we've got so many flowers that we've made. We've got the lily, we've got the simple flower, we've got the tulip. This week's challenge is actually another decorative one. I'm asking you, we've made 3 sets of flowers, so do you have a small cup at home? Do you have a small box or anything? Have you found any more origami videos online? Well, you can use those as a way to get all these together, can't you? See if you can make it as pretty if you want. You know, draw on the paper before you make it into some origami. You know, dye it in some form as well. You can always use all that, what you call leftover paint or something, and get all these into some incredible form. But all up to you how you wish to make it. So my origami challenge this week is to make the prettiest flower pot you can find. Well, thank you for watching. I have enjoyed the experience and hope you have as well. I'm trying to find as many different types of origami that I know of. Trying to find as many different ways that I can remember to use paper. And each challenge I hope has been giving you something to, you know, try and find the best uses for origami. As I say, I've enjoyed having it as a small skill, and it can be very relaxing as well, as I said last week. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your August.